Did somebody say snowstorm? You heard it right. Here in North Carolina, we are experiencing panic mode. We are in the midst of a snowstorm and everybody's going berserk, insane, crazy. I honestly don't know if people are having a party or what. They are going after chips, dip, snacks, you name it. These people are not leaving nothing for no one on these shelves. Look how bare these departments are, including the meat department. This has got to be insane. And the insanity does not stop there. Ground beef is gone. Someone please leave us some bread so that we can make sandwiches, pour milk on them, I guess throw some eggs on top. I have no idea. Can someone please tell me where the bagels went? Looks like everybody's having a pizza party, making their own pizza. So what would you get grocery-wise for preparing for a snowstorm? The kids were so excited to finally have a snow day.
I'll get you.
Let her do it. What you making, Kinky?
yeah, just got off from work. The roads were not that bad today. They were saying that we was expecting about 12 inches of snow, which that did not happen. Praise God. I got to work safe and sound. The roads from where I live, going up towards my job, they were clear for the most part. And then as I got closer to work, a little bit of slush here and there, but nothing too major. So the sun has been out for a couple of hours, things are melting, and it seems like the roads are going to be clear until later on, because they were saying that we're going to get ice again on the roads. The temperature's going to drop really low tonight, so keep me in prayer and those who are going to be on the roads, on the highways and byways.
Let's see how the roads are on my way home. Now let's see how driving at night goes. Our snowstorm turned out not to be so bad after all. And as always, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.